In this video, we're going to take a look at how we can simplify a fraction. Looking at the example on the left-hand side, I need to be able to simplify 18 over 66 into a fraction that has the same value with a denominator of 11. Ordinarily, what we need to do is find the highest common factor of 18 and 66. The highest common number that goes into both 18 and 66 is 6. And if I divide 66 by 6, I get 11. If I divide 18 by 6, I get 3. By dividing both the numerator and denominator by the same number, we've created an equivalent fraction. This means that they have exactly the same value, and the only common factor of 3 and 11 is 1, and therefore we've reduced 18 over 66 into its simplified form. But what if I didn't notice that the highest common factor was 6? Would there have been an alternative way of getting the same answer? Well, starting with 18 over 66, what if I noticed that they're both even, so I divided them by 2? This would then give me 9 over 33. A common factor of 9 and 33 is 3, so I can divide both of these by 3 and then get 3 over 11. All of these are equivalent fractions that have exactly the same value, but the one that we want is the fraction in its simplest form. Pause the video here and have a go at the question on the right hand side. When you're ready for the answer, press play. So with 20 over 44, a common factor of both 20 and 44 is 2, but the highest common factor of 20 and 44 is 4. Dividing both the numerator and denominator will give me a fraction that has exactly the same value, where this time the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 11. No other number will now go into 5 and 11 other than 1, so this is a fraction in its simplest form.